Big Bend Community College's Aviation Maintenance Technology program has been training students to enter the aerospace job field for nearly 50 years. Designed to give students a mixture of classroom and hands-on learning experiences, the AMT program is led by a staff of instructors with nearly 90 years of industry experience. Students enrolled in the program at Big Bend will learn to work on both fixed-wing and rotary-wing aircraft and have the opportunity to work directly on small aircraft, large transportation aircraft, home-built aircraft, crop dusters, and helicopters. Our instructors teach real-world skills that can be applied in the current job market and will prepare students to earn FAA airframe and power plant certifications that translate directly into employment opportunities in the aviation maintenance field. In just 2 years, you could have the skills and knowledge needed to work in the highly competitive and lucrative aviation industry as an AMT mechanic. And with the majority of the current workforce nearing retirement, the demand for AMT mechanics is at an all-time high. Contact Big Bend Community College today to see what the future can hold for you. Big hopes, big dreams, big success at Big Bend Community College.